Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid.
The Mustang Shelby GT500 stands as an iconic pinnacle of American muscle car engineering, blending raw power, track-worthy performance, and striking design into an exhilarating package. The heart of the Mustang Shelby GT500 is a 5.2-liter supercharged cross-plane crankshaft V8 pumping out 760 horsepower, 567 kW, and 625 pounds FT, 847 nanometers torque. It is matched to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission which can change gears in less than 100 milliseconds to ensure all the power is delivered smoothly and continuously to the road or track. Launch control for track use only delivers mid 3.0 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour times, while 5 easily selectable drive modes: normal, weather, sport, drag, track, make driving a pleasure anywhere, anytime.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't give back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises.